with a bright smile. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're diving into the art of making the perfect American pizza. And trust me, it's going to be a fun and delicious journey. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, this recipe is simple and quick, ensuring you can whip up a tasty pizza in no time. So let's get started. Today, I'll show you how to make the perfect American pizza in minutes. We'll be using fresh ingredients and simple techniques to create a pizza that's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. The best part? You can customize it with your favorite toppings to make it truly your own. Get ready for a quick and delicious cooking adventure. First, let's gather all the ingredients we need. For the dough, we'll need flour, yeast, water, and salt. For the toppings, you can choose anything you like, from classic pepperoni and cheese to veggies and exotic meats. The possibilities are endless. First, we prepare the dough. This is the foundation of our pizza, so it's important to get it right. Start by mixing the flour, yeast, water, and salt in a large bowl. Make sure the water is warm, as this helps activate the yeast and makes the dough rise better. Mix everything together until it forms a sticky dough. We mix flour, yeast, water, and salt and knead it until it's smooth and elastic. Kneading the dough is a crucial step. It helps develop the gluten, which gives the dough its structure and chewiness. Spend about 10 minutes kneading the dough, pushing it away from you with the heel of your hand, then folding it back over itself. Repeat this process until the dough is smooth and elastic. After the dough has risen, we roll it out on a floured surface until we get a perfect round shape. Let the dough rest for about an hour in a warm place, covered with a damp cloth. This allows it to rise and double in size. Once it's ready, punch it down to release the air, then roll it out on a floured surface. Aim for a thickness of about 1/4 inch for a nice, crispy crust. Now, we add tomato sauce, cheese, and our favorite toppings. Spread a generous amount of tomato sauce over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Then, sprinkle a layer of cheese mozzarella is a classic choice, but feel free to experiment with other types. Finally, add your favorite toppings. This is where you can get creative and make the pizza your own. This is the time to show your creativity. Whether you prefer a classic margarita with fresh basil and tomatoes, a meat lover's pizza with pepperoni and sausage, or a veggie delight with bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms, the choice is yours. Arrange the toppings evenly over the cheese, making sure every bite will be packed with flavor. We bake the pizza in a hot oven until it's golden and crispy. Preheat your oven to its highest setting, usually around 475 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pizza on a baking sheet or a pizza stone if you have one, and bake for about 10-15 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You'll know it's ready when the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. And here is the perfect American pizza, ready to serve. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing, as this helps the cheese set and makes it easier to cut. Serve it hot and enjoy the delicious homemade taste of your very own pizza. Try it at home and enjoy a quick and delicious meal. Making pizza at home is not only fun, but also rewarding. You get to control the ingredients and customize it to your liking. Plus, it's a great activity to do with family and friends. So gather your loved ones, roll up your sleeves, and enjoy the process of making and eating your perfect American pizza. Bon appetit!